Okay, guys, I had a request to do all the ones on the other page on the second page that we didn't do. Okay, so I'll go through those really quick. Let's see. Looks like we did the top ones in class. Okay, 24. If y equals 3, then I can plug in that y is 3. I know that. So everything else I have to copy down just like it was. 2 plus 2y plus 3x equals 9. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3x equals 9. I really want to subtract this 6 from this side and move it over here. So I subtract 6. 3x equals 3. Divide by 3. X equals 1. And we already know that y equals 3 because they told us. So this is 1, 3. Because you always say x, y. So for all these, we have to figure out both of them. So luckily, we didn't have to figure out y. They already told us. All right, for this one, we know x is 4. So I'm going to rewrite the second equation exactly as it is, but I'm going to substitute in 4 for x. Plus 2y equals 7. 24 plus 2y equals 7. I'm going to subtract 24 from this side to get it out of there. Subtract 24. And hopefully I did this one right. Let's see. 2y equals 7 minus 24 is, what is this? 27 minus 24. Why am I having a hard time doing negative 17? Did I really mean to do that? Then I messed this up in my head. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 2. And y equals negative 17 halves. That's what it looks like to me, unless 24 minus 7 is 17. Yeah. Okay. So now the good thing is I don't have to use 17 halves to figure out what x is because I already know what x is. X is 4. So the answer is 4, negative 17 halves for y. And there's my answer. Okay. Let's see. We did this one. Okay, great. These ones, I know what y is equal to. Y is equal to 4x plus 1. So I'm going to rewrite the second equation exactly as it is, 2x plus 3. But instead of y, I'm plugging in 4x plus 1. So I have to say 4x plus 1, because that's what y is, equals 73. All right, let's see if I actually did this one right. First step is I got to get rid of those. I got to do the distribution. 3 times, so I have 2x. Positive 3 times 4x is plus 12x. Positive 3 times 3 is plus 3. Equals 73. And now I have 14x plus 3 equals 73. I'm going to minus the 3 because I don't want it over here. I'm going to minus the 3 on the other side, and I'm going to get 14x equals 70. So I'm going to divide by 14. And it looks like, let's see, 70 divided by 14 is 5. So x equals 5. I've got that much done, but I don't have the other part done. So I have to take this up here. And y is equal to 4x plus 1. Y is equal to 4 times 5 plus 1. Y is equal to 20 plus 1. So now we figured out the y as well. So it's 5 for x, 21 for y. And finally, the last one, probably the hardest one. For sure the hardest one. This one, if you can do this one, you're super stud. In fact, there's a different way to solve these that make it a lot easier. But I'm going to teach you guys that next week. But sometimes I want to look for something that tells me an equation like this, where it tells me what y equals. Nothing over here tells me what anything equals. But if I could just move this over to this side, then I would have an equation that says y equals 22. So let's subtract 3x from this side and move it over here. So basically now this equation gets rid of it over here. Y equals 22 minus 3x. So all I did was move the x to the other, 3x to the other side. And now I know I have a statement that tells me what y equals. Okay, great. Now I can plug it in. 2x minus 3 times, well, I know what y is. 22 minus 3x equals 6. Do I expect you to have this yet? No. I'm just showing you what's coming down in the future. All right, so 2x, negative 3 times 22 is negative 66. Negative 3 times negative 3x is positive 9x equals, oh, and I think we were supposed to say that this wasn't 6, this was 11, I believe, is what we ended up saying in class. We changed it because I realized it didn't work. Okay, equals 11. So we add 66 over here to get rid of it and put it over here. I think in class I messed up that, or in my head I messed that up. So we have 2x plus 9x is 11x's when we combine them equals 77. We divide by 11, x equals 7. Okay, so I can go up to any equation I have and plug that in. I'll go right there. Y is equal to 22 minus 3 times x, but I know x is 7, so y equals 22 minus 3 times 7. Y equals 22 minus 21. Y equals 1. So for this one, x equals 7, y equals 1, which we write like 7 comma 1. All right, I think that's all of them. Yeah, I think this is all of them. If you guys need help on anything else, let me know, and good luck.